Wow. Yeah, it's a mess. Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's edition of the Donkey Bonker. I'm actually coming to you from inside Donkey Bonker right now, and it no longer runs. Why? Because the carburetor's off and it's soaking. I've been going basically the past week soaking the carburetor, cleaning, soaking, cleaning. I just want to get it super clean so when put it back on, it's shiny and nice, and it looks new under the hood, while everything else is a rusty pile of shit. Alright, we're gonna get started today. I'm gonna pull off the valve covers, get them sanded down, repainted. Hopefully get them back on today, but probably not, because I'm probably gonna let them cure overnight. So yeah, that's where we're heading today. All right. God, that's rusty every time I look at it. Every time. The fuck is that? Has some odd valve covers. Alright, you guys, there we have it. Is the inside. There we are. Alright. Let's see what we're working with inside. Also looks pretty good. I'm like all up inside the car here, but yeah. Gonna head over to the garage here in a moment. We're gonna start getting the valve covers cleaned up and prepping them for paint. Alright, here we are with the old valve covers. Definitely seen better days, but I think they'll be all right. We're just gonna get them cleaned up here. I got a little bit of brake clean left, but not much. Not much at all. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get to town on these and finish these up, and we'll be right back with the magic of YouTube to have them sanded. Anyway, it's set up there. Gonna hit it with some almost empty etching primer and hope I have enough. Alright everyone, there's a slight change of plans. The can just blew up over in the corner and I was running around frantically. Sorry I didn't get that on camera. But, the other paint I found that was blue was not the proper kind for going on a valve cover. So, I'm using this one to go on the valve cover, but it's red. We're just gonna have to go with it. God, I'm trying to break another one. Stop, Chloe. Stop dropping paint cans. Jesus. Well, the longer I stare at it, the more okay I am with it being red. All right. A little bit of orange peel in there, but the fuck ever. Donkey bonker, it's not a showpiece. So, it's looking pretty good. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it dry overnight, and then once I get it off of here, I'm gonna take it back over to the bench, see if there's any other spots that could use some touching up. It's been an interesting day, you know. We got some painting started, got the valve covers off. That's really it. It's been most of my day. We'll be back tomorrow with finishing up these valve covers, getting them back on.